High volume shops rely on mechanical cutting equipment to provide workflows for their installers to install 20, 30 cars a day. Well, this is where pattern cutting software is essential. So several problems have plagued the pattern cutting software market. Libraries of patterns can be limited. Sometimes there's no ability to request new patterns or make adjustments to patterns. Software could be proprietary, only allowing you to use the window film of choice by the software creator. Well, the 3M Pattern Marketplace has done away with a lot of these problems, and it's opened up opportunities for you to run your business without the hassle of worrying about high fees or pattern availability. Let's take a closer look at the Pattern Marketplace. So let's dive into the 3M Pattern Marketplace. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's a web-based browser platform. You're not going to have to install any software on your computer. So you'll arrive at the home page here and you can choose your library. You have a choice from window tint or paint protection film, both in North America and Europe. We're just going to go to the window tint section here. We'll choose that. We'll choose the year and make of our car. Let's go get ourselves a Tesla Model Y. And then now you can head over to your patterns. And right away, they're easily available and you can open the pattern library. Another great feature on the home screen is that you can find the most recently added patterns available right here on the bottom of the screen. But let's say that you wanted to request a pattern. You'd simply come over here to the menu, to the pattern request section, and you'd enter yourself a new request. Of course, you'd select your library. Let's say it's window tint. Let's say it's a 2025. Let's choose something exotic. And now you can type in any special request requirements that you need, and you could submit that request. Now, here's the interesting thing about requesting patterns is you can see the ongoing running list and how many people are requesting it and the number of claims that have come on the pattern. So this is advantageous because this gives you an idea of what the priority is and where 3M's focus is going to be as far as new patterns go. Another great feature that's been incorporated into 3M's Pattern Marketplace is an area where you can save your most commonly used patterns. So if you've got day-to-day vehicles that you're working on, you can simply just pull up your pattern from your saved area and it'll appear right here and ready for processing. Okay, now let's go back to the home page. We want to show you another unique feature to the Pattern Marketplace. It's the support section down here in the bottom left. Here you'll find many FAQs with helpful answers to many common questions. But notice there's a tutorial section. Here you'll find a whole host of videos on various subjects. For instance, the Quick Nest tool. You can simply go to the video, push play, and start getting a quick lesson on using the nesting tool in the Pattern Marketplace.
So Rob, that Pattern Marketplace software looks pretty incredible. Everyone always wants to know, what does it cost?
It is. I mean, 4,500 pattern library.
Okay.
And monthly cost on it is $140 per month subscription. You can run it month to month. You can buy a single pattern if you want to, or you can just buy a week's worth of patterns.
Okay,
it's very,
that's awesome.
very versatile, very easy to use, web-based, but that really segues into the equipment portion of it.
Yeah,
what does Grimco have to offer?
At some point, the rubber has to meet the road, and
does.
you need to trim those fancy patterns into actual hard objects. And that's where we come into the play with my demo center here in Chicago. We offer multitudes of different plotters, cutters for the machine, as well as printers too. If a shop wanted to get into doing print, maybe you're doing other vehicle wrap portions, you need to print on different 3M films. Lots of different options available for it. So if you want to schedule it sometime one-on-one to see some of the other equipment options we offer to work with all the fabulous 3M films, the Pattern Marketplace software, and see what that can do to really increase your workflow, increase your ability to take on different jobs, head over to Grimco.com. You'll see a bunch of the different machines that we offer in addition to this GraphTech cutter. And then schedule a one-on-one demo, see the piece of equipment. We can talk through the workflow, talk through the possible print solutions, the cut solutions you're looking to add to your production shop.
And as we've been talking about in this whole video series, this is the value that Grimco brings to you as a customer.
Yeah, 100%. Grimco offers free lifetime technical support on all the equipment that we sell. So you have a piece of equipment in your shop that you bought from Grimco, and you got a new employee that has a couple questions on how to use it, or something's just not working the way you think it should, or you want to try to get the most out of it. Reach out to us. Our experts would love to help you make the most out of your investment and really make sure you're capitalizing on that.
And that is so valuable, because I don't know how many shops I've walked into and I've seen 15-year-old Graphtec still running as their #1 cutter.
Oh yeah?
And it's because we keep offering the customer service, the technical support to keep them running.
Right.
So you invest in one of these, it's a fine investment. It's going to last you for a lifetime.
Yeah. So like I said, hop over to grimco.com, check out all the hardware equipment offerings that we have on our website. Reach out to one of our experts. We would love to get you face-to-face and in front of one of these pieces of equipment, let you know what it can do to help you grow your business.